All right, so they finally made it. This is a very quick, impromptu live video. Thus, no green screen, no stabilizers, no extra cameras, just a box of hotness and a puppy from Hasbro. Now, their tape job has left me with some questions about the people they hire, but you know, is what it is. All right. I would go get my box cutter, but it's in the other room. Let's do this side. Right. By now, you guys probably already know what this is. I've only been talking about it for a couple days. The old-fashioned use your house key to get open the box. Get to the tape. Here we go. Gimme, 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 gimme. Come here. Yeah, I agree. The German Shepherd does not agree with Hasbro's packaging. Say hello. All right, here we go. There she be. Though I'm not too happy about that. Oh, this looks hot. Look, we don't need German Shepherd help. Down. 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 Puppy thinks this is for him. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, 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 oh. The classified Sepentors are here. Cobra, la 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 la. Here we go. All right, so actually it doesn't look bad. It's just the way that they package it so that it opens. I'm not going to crack the tape. We already know what this looks like. I'm going to put it back in the box, open the other one. They're going up online.